to welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. I purchased two of the Harusti 80-piece heavy-duty socket organizer for a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and then a 1/2 inch. These are premium quality socket holders. I purchased two of them. The other items are two pieces of 41mm quick release plate, camera, tripod for ball head, release plate replacement compatible with the Sunpack, Ampico, Kalimar, and etc. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys the items. So I guess this is the part number right here. Socket holder for 3 sizes, 80 pieces. And it is made in China. It comes with this handle. And you could put a screw on top if you want to hang it on the wall. And if you need to remove some of this holder, just press this down. Well, normally you press this down and it could come out, but I'm not sure it got stuck in the midsection right there. So yeah, you can rearrange it however you want. So see if this is gonna fit. So I got this Sunpack, the one with the pistol. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's the same size. Cool. Because they have different sizes. One is like 43mm. Okay, so it fit. I got 2 pieces of this. So with this one, you can mount your camera or your holder or your LED flash. And this is rubberized TPU material. So this is 1 hour already, so. Let's go ahead and get some socket and test this out. Alright, so this one is the 1/4 inch. And this one is the 1/2 inch. And then 3/8. So yeah, pretty nicely. I'm going to arrange all the different sizes accordingly. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.